Three. You're
Hello,
live.
everybody. It is Aurora team here, and as always, we are willing to present to you some new information and some fresh news from the Aurora ecosystem. We have quite a lot of them today. So I would like to start with the things that we have been communicating during the last week. There is a new thing that is called Embedded Rainbow Bridge. This is a tool that allows you to embed the Rainbow Bridge in the front end of the applications on Aurora blockchain. And we're happy to say that this new feature is gaining traction, and another protocol implemented it and integrated with it, and this is Bastion. So now together, both two the biggest of the lending protocols on Aurora, Origami and Bastion, they both have the embedded Rainbow Bridge in their front ends. Now going into the next things. So first of all, we know that our main priority and our main focus in terms of all of the products that Aurora Labs is building is the developers, right? And we would like to hear more from you. We would like to launch a survey where you are able to share with us some feedback. So please go to Aurora Twitter, check out the survey article, and you can go to Discord and then provide your feedback through the special form that is inside of it. So looking forward for all of your feedback about how you're using Aurora and what are the troubles that you're seeing, because we're here to help you, and we're here to solve all of these problems and make your experience much better. Now going on to some additional news from our partners. Happy to announce that REF Finance token, REF, is now available on the Rainbow Bridge, and it is available for transfers in between Near and Aurora. So everyone who wanted to use REF token inside of Aurora ecosystem, since REF Finance is a native Near application, so everyone who wanted to use this token inside of Aurora now is capable of doing it. So good job to the bridge team. And one of the biggest news for this week, TrueUSD or TUSD, a stable coin was bridged to Aurora, and now there is this token is available on the Aurora blockchain. So in case you're a user of TUSD, you are now capable of bridging your funds to Aurora and use it in the Aurora DeFi ecosystem. Besides that, continuing on the let's finish up the DeFi news. So continuing on the DeFi news, a new DEX was launched on Aurora, a new native DEX. It is called Amaterasu. So welcoming Amaterasu team and Amaterasu ecosystem or Amaterasu users and community inside of the Aurora ecosystem. And now interesting news for the ones who love NFTs. Now a new project, Octogamex, was receiving the grant from Aurora. So congratulations with the grant, and looking forward to see you in production, guys. Now, before we're going to go into the next set of questions, I'm encouraging everyone to ask your questions during the live stream on the YouTube, right? So this is a live stream, and you're capable of asking your questions in the comments, and usually in the end of the stream, we are answering these questions. So looking forward to see your questions. Orchid integrated with Aurora. So in case you're a user of a dVPN, then you would be capable of using it with Aurora. So that's quite cool. Improves the security in case some people are, because of some reason, blocking your access to the Aurora RPCs. Well, maybe this is something that you can use. A great read that was created by Near Foundation, a deep dive into DAOs, part 3. This is a nice, pretty long article about different DAOs and what they are doing in the Near ecosystem. And among all of these DAOs, there is one particular that is connected with Aurora, and this is Aurora DAO. So you can read about different things about the Aurora DAO in this in this article. So I encourage everybody to take a look at this. Another good article published by our friends from DODO, and they are reviewing their progress with the Aurora network. So they have some interesting stats here. For example, the total trading volume is now exceeding $80 million on DODO exchange only. DODO is a pretty big exchange. In Aurora right now, it has almost 30 or 29 million TVL. So in case you have been using DODO on Ethereum mainnet or maybe on other networks, maybe you will find, or you're going to find this front end and this user experience absolutely the same on the Aurora network, and maybe this is the exchange for you to use. Zeppelin's Defender integrated Aurora, and now you are able to use it and actually just directly choose Aurora or Aurora testnet here. So everybody who have been using this this great tool, now you're able to work with Aurora directly. So super cool. We also have some updates on the DAO site, just reminding everybody that the governance forum of the Aurora ecosystem is forum.aurora.dev. On this forum, anyone is able to create an account and post any proposals. These proposals are reviewed by the DAO. And there are some recent activity about potential partnership with Proximity, about some additional stuff. So in case you're interested in the governance, you would like to know all of the recent news for Aurora ecosystem in terms of the governance, this is the place for you to visit. Or in case you're interested in doing direct proposals to the Aurora DAO, you're capable of doing it on this forum. And the last thing that I would like to mention is that for everybody who have been staking with Aurora Validator on the Near blockchain, so staking Near tokens on the Near blockchain, we are happy that Near wallet team finally added the most requested feature within the past couple of months, I believe, an ability to claim Aurora rewards directly in Near wallet. So prior to this, it was a tool that was created by Vadim Zavodil, and people were able to claim their Aurora tokens in this tool. But now, in case you're staking with Aurora, you need to go to staking. You need to go in Aurora, well, in the validators, click Aurora, and then you will be able to see the claim button here, and you would be able to click it, confirm the claim, and everything should work in just a couple of seconds, as with all transactions that are happening on the Near blockchain. So big thanks to the Near wallet team that they've added this feature. And I hope for everybody, this is a great relief that now they are able to claim their Aurora rewards directly in the Near wallet. I hope you will enjoy this feature. And yeah, just reminding everybody, Aurora Validator is a new advanced version of the Near staking validator. Instead of returning Near for staking, this validator returns or creates a stream of Aurora tokens that are distributed to all of the stakers. So you stake Near, but as a reward, you get Aurora tokens. There is a long post on the governance forum about why this is needed and how Aurora DAO is using generated Near. So if you're interested in this, interested in learning why these things are presented there, so please go there and consult. There are lots of great information about it. And now I'm going into the into checking what are the questions. So it seems like today there are not lots of questions. And with that, I wish everybody a nice weekend and see you in exactly 1 week. Goodbye, everybody.